Hey guys, this is Chef Aisha and today we are going to talk about beautification of food. खाने का pleasant लगना depends a lot on the shapes and sizes of the cut. But how would you cut them nice अगर knife की selection या इस्तेमाल सही ना हो? Well, let's begin with the most common types of knives to do wonders for us. First things first, chef's knife. Slice, dice and chop with ease. This knife is gonna make you feel like a professional chef in your own kitchen. Utility knife. From slicing fruits and vegetables to cutting extra fat, ये है आपकी everyday knife. Paring knife. Small but steady. ये knife बहुत precision से fruits और vegetables को काटती है. Boning knife. इस sharp और flexible blade से आप mutton chops और whole chicken को काट सकते हैं with complete confidence and control. Bread knife. इस narrow और serrated blade से हम आसानी से breads और cake को काट सकते हैं. Butcher knife. This knife is with a wide belly जो गोश्त और बड़े fruits को काटने के लिए perfect है. Carving knife. You have to fold it like a pen to be able to carve hard fruits and vegetables. Steak knife. As the name suggests, steak तो आप इससे काट ही सकते हैं और although ये butter knife से ज़्यादा sharp है, लेकिन आप इसको butter knife की जगह भी use कर सकते हैं. So these were the different types of knives, and I hope now you know for which purpose to use each knife. I hope it brings a new dimension to your cutting skills.